Discover the top 5 tours in Berlin. 1. Take a walking tour. Berlin offers so many great walking tours, including some really nice free tours. You'll see all the main historical sites like the Brandenburg Gate, Checkpoint Charlie, the Holocaust Memorial, and lots more. 2. Ride around on a bike like a local. If you're feeling adventurous, consider taking a bike tour. There are quite a few options to choose from, such as a full or half-day tour or a stop-off for a tasty lunch. 3. Discover the off-grid street art. Berlin is famous for its street art, iconic murals, and liberal arts communities. You cannot visit Berlin without taking it all in, and the best way to do that is to take a street art tour. 4. Daytime boat tour. Do you want to explore Berlin on a boat? We recommend a 1-hour daytime city tour, which is an excellent choice for families. 5. Base flying experience. If you're looking for something completely different and unique, you need to book a base flying experience. For more tours in Berlin, head over to our blog article. We've made things easier for you by listing the best tours in Berlin for every budget. Click the link in the description to find out more. Happy travels!